Yo, what's up everybody? Dude, some exciting news. Right now you can sign up for the beta of Fortnite on any iOS, well not any iOS device. It's only for iPhone 6s or higher. That's a big majority of them. So sorry, if you have an iPhone 6 or something like that, you cannot download this app. And you can't even sign up for the beta, so that kind of sucks. But if you're running an iPhone 6s or higher, this is pretty much what you have to do in order to install the beta onto your iPhone. Now there is a waiting period, so you're not going to be able to download it immediately. You have to wait until Epic Games or whatever the company's name is called to email you with a link to the App Store. So nobody's gotten the link yet. So if you're watching this video pretty early, then you can actually be probably one of the first people to download it. So what you want to do is you want to go to the first link in the description and you want to just go over here. You can go ahead and read it if you want to, but it's really not that complicated. All you want to do is click up here, sign up here for whatever the beta. And it says, do you already play Fortnite? For me, I don't play Fortnite, so I had to click no. But if you do, then you can click yes. So I click no, and then it'll make you come here and you can sign up with Facebook or your Google Plus account, or you could fill out, this little description thing right here, and I actually chose mine to fill out. It's really not that hard. You fill out like 4 things and then you're good to go. And once all of that is filled out, you go ahead and click create account. You don't want to click sign in, just click create account, but make sure you've clicked this where it says I would like to receive. You can click, I completely opt out of that. I would tell you not to click that at all. So you go ahead and click create account, and you're going to have to go to your email and you're going to have to verify and all that stuff. So you're going to get an email that looks like this. It's going to say your account's created, yada yada yada. You have successfully created an account, and then you have to verify your email. So click that green box right there, and then it'll make you log in again. So you just want to make sure you verify it before going on, because if you don't verify it now, you probably won't get an invite. And then after you verify it for like a couple minutes, you're going to get this email. It's going to say sign up confirmation, and it's going to look like you got the beta link already, but you didn't. So you want to go ahead and read it. It says, thanks for signing up. Hey there, yada, yada, yada. It says it only works for devices on iOS 11 or higher. So I don't really understand all these strict rules. Like, I feel like a device running on iOS 10 is more capable of, playing higher intensive games than a device running on iOS 11. But that's my opinion. I'm not about to tell Epic Games what to do, And it's pretty cool because apparently it's the same, like it says here, the same 100 player game, and it's cross-platform. So, but apparently some people said it's not going to be working with the Xbox, but I don't really know that much about that. But PS4 and PC, it's going to, we're going to be able to verse them, so that's going to be super sweet. And this is a huge step in game development because it shows like, you don't really need a console to play against your friends who do have consoles. So this is a huge step. Fortnite is breaking boundaries right now, and that's pretty much how you sign up. I mean, if you guys have any questions or anything, leave it down in the comment section below. It's pretty straightforward. Check out flawlessphone.com. I have the best prices for phones and accessories and all that stuff on there. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button too, dude. I'm giving away an Xbox One right now. I'm giving that away like this week sometime whenever we hit 30,000. And then once we do hit that, I'm going to announce another giveaway, which is probably going to be an iPhone or something. I'm not really too sure about it yet. But more importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys, and hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.